Okay, let's do this. We're gonna do 400. So I need to take out 400s. Whoa, it's a lot. 400s. And now I'm not going to add anything else to it because it wasn't addition, it was subtraction. I need to take away 400 minus 296, right? So if we're using the algorithm, I'd have to start at the ones. So I go here, and right now I have 0 ones hanging out. And if you look in the picture, that's true. There aren't any ones. Yet I need to take away 6 of them. So that's a problem. So the ones are like, okay, tens, can you help us? No, because they're sitting there smiling at you. But we don't have any that are broken apart in tens yet, which means the only thing available to help us are the hundreds. We have 4 of them. So we're going to say, well, hundreds, you're going to help us. So we're going to take those 400s. And we're going to use one of them. So now we're only going to have 3. So let's see what happens in the picture. So I'm going to take 100. I'm going to move these over here. I'm going to take this 100 and I'm going to break it apart into tens. So now, how many tens do I have? I have 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and write that in. Instead of 0 tens, I now have 10 tens. But the ones are yelling at us like, you guys, we still need help. You still haven't made any ones. Okay, we will. Calm down. So now the 10 tens we just made, well, now we need to use one of those. So I'm going to cross out the 10 and write, we're going to use one of them. So now we're only going to have 9 tens over here. You're like, no, we have 10. Well, watch. I'm going to take one of these tens and I am going to, let me move this over. I'm going to take this 10 and what am I going to make it into? I'm going to make it into ones. So now how many ones do we have? We have not 0 anymore. It looks like we still have a 10. They're all split up now. We now have how many ones? We don't have 0, we have 10. Okay, so I'm going to write that in. So instead of 0, we have 10. Now, finally, the 6 is like, okay, finally, guys, we can take 6 away. The cool thing is, what we have left up here, 300s, 9 tens, and 10 ones, is still the number 400. This is still 400 up here. But now it's set up in a way where we can actually take these ones and tens and hundreds away. So I have 10 ones and I need to now take 6 of them away. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take 1 and trash it. 2, gone. 3, gone. 4, gone. 5, gone. 6, gone. And no, we only want 6 gone. So how many are left? Well, you could have just done 10 minus 6 to see it, but we can see that there's 4 left. 4 ones are left over. Now let's go to the tens. We have 9 tens sitting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do we need to take away? Oh my gosh, we need to take away 9 of them. Okay, what's going to happen if we take away 9 of them? 1 10, gone. Another 10. 2 tens, gone. 3 tens, gone. 4 tens is gone. 5 tens, goodbye. 6 tens, adios. 7 tens, see you later. 8 tens, you're not there anymore. And 9 tens, oh man, now we don't have any left. That's because 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay, and now we're left with our hundreds. Okay, we have 3 hundreds right now. It says so right here also. But now we need to take away 2 of them. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to take that away. And another 100 away. I've taken 200s away. 300s minus 200s would be 100 left over. So here we have our answer of 104. Awesome sauce.